We should have just went in the shop, got a hammer.
Oh, there you go. Not too good.
All right, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome to Area 67. Behind me, we have the two Powerstrokes. One being the Platinum, which is back there, the black one, and two being the Velocity, the 2020. Platinum's a 2017, blue one's a 2020. So today at Area 67, what we are doing is we are testing the two trucks to see which one does better. Now both of them have different modifications. They're both tuned. One has a big turbo and a bigger fuel pump and a full aggressive, like custom tune file. And then the other one is just the standard tune with an intake. So the black truck right there is just over 700 horsepower, and the blue truck here is just about 595 wheel horsepower. The blue truck has a lot more weight to it with the Pro Comp lift kit and the big wide wheels and tires. And the black truck back there is just sitting on a leveling kit with a 37-inch Nitto mud grappler. So tire selection, definitely gonna go towards the Platinum because those mud grapplers should tear up our old launch strip here. And blue truck is sitting on a 35-inch by 14 amp mud tire, just a standard mud tire, and I don't think those are gonna do that good. Run number one, JB in the blue truck, JB in the Velocity, just to get a test. We're gonna try to figure out if this is a good spot or not, which it's around the spot. Traction's gonna be a major problem.
Real problem. you can start floating. I feel like I was going 10 miles an hour.
You were going about 12. We need to try second. Try manual shifting it and shift in second. Start in second. That was better.
It'll pick up. I think I need to go for third.
Start in third.
That or the traction control is holding back because it's starting to really pick up over here.
Turn the traction control off. I think you forgot to shift. I think you forgot to shift.
I was just in power and I didn't want to shift.
Maybe we gotta try to launch it in second and then hurry up and put it in drive.
No way, you'll be fucking trying, because it's spinning. You gotta
go second to reverse.
Remember, I did that with my dad's Dodge.
You put it in reverse.
Hit it in reverse, it was like, shut off. I was like, oh shit.
It ain't gonna be remotely close.
Why?
But you shredded it. It just shreds.
It was kind of all over the place.
I see you're just floating.
I could crash into the blue truck. So I figured out what's happening. There's a little layer of mud
and the bottom is froze. Literally, when you ride over it, it's rock hard. When you're backing over it, and it's just rock hard underneath because it's frozen solid. So we're skimming off that top layer, and it's just zinging right on top of that frozen layer.
Which makes sense.
So it's, dude,
I don't think you're gonna be able to do side by side.
No, this is way too sketchy.
I'm not gonna lie. I was looking at the camera, and I realized like you could definitely get a little crazy and hit me. I felt like
Like you can roll this thing. Sounds like she's in a bind.
Woo! Got a leak.
What?
Got a leak. Hefty leak.
Oh, buddy.
But hey, it's alive! You're stuck?
Yeah.
Oh my God. You're going in reverse, so go forward. Golly. Stuck.
There's a hole for the battery tray. Under the battery tray, there's a hole that goes straight into the cab. And we have the stack off, so the back of the turbo is just pointed straight at that hole. So the whole cab is just full with smoke, dude. It smells so bad. Now will they start again?
Oh, it's gonna fire right back up.
Should.